In this video lesson, you're going to be learning how to work with the width and how to change the width within sections on your website. So we are working off of a standard testimonial page. We're adding testimonials, we're adding social media, and we want to show you how to change the width. Now, this is going to work for any section within your website. In order to change the width within a section, go ahead and hover over the elements that you wish to change. Come up to the menu bar and you're looking to click on the icon change width percentage. Now, there is a cool preview for you to view of just what this will look like. If you'd like to make images smaller, text larger, or vice versa, go ahead and click on this change width percentage icon. Now, you will see the customization menu bar appear and you will see a width split text to image option. Now you'll see the current width is set to 53, but we can go ahead, click and hold this slider and move this slider to either increase the size of the image and decrease the size of the text, or increase the spacing of the text and decrease the size of the image. So depending on how you want your website to look and which section you're customizing, always play with the width tool until you're satisfied with how things look. Then you can scroll up to the top and click Save to preview your changes. And then you can continue customizing and perfecting the width of elements within each section on your website.